Oh, hello. I'm Train. I'm a number 6 green and orange tank engine. Simon says I'm a small tank engine. This time, I wish I could get a big one. Haha, I'm Hero. Oh, this is so cool. But I want to be bigger. Visiting Starbucks. Now I'm Carly. I'm really not feeling myself. Go today. From up here, Carly will be able to see the whole world. I want to see the world. Guess what? I'm finally going to get my chance. I'm going on a world tour to make new friends and see all the sights. Big Bang and Great Britain. Oh, time to move on. Ooh la la! The Eiffel Tower and France! Egypt, land of the pyramids is fixed. I can believe this happening. This is the Nile. Yes, the Nile.
The Nile, as in the River Nile in Egypt. Boy, I make my photo. There are so many amazing places to go and things to see.
India, China, Japan, South America, Australia, and good old USA. Hey, look, I'm king of New York. Okay. Statue of Liberty. Boy, I always wanted to go to New York. Oh, police car! Whoa! Wow! I just can't wait.
And I hope you'll come along for the ride. I have a feeling we're not in sodor anymore.